friends, this is Koteshwar. Welcome to Gadget Tech Pro. Finally, Apple has launched iOS 13. So, I am going to tell top 8 things in iOS 13. So, let's get started. So, the first thing is Face ID, which is 30% more faster than in iOS 12. In iOS 13, it's really fast. See, it's really unlocking very fast. So, and the second most thing is dark mode, and it looks really nice and easy on our eyes also. It's not completely dark, it's light dark, I can say. So you can turn on and off dark mode from here here also. And the next thing I'm going to say is photos. They have completely changed the interface, which is now you can see photos the day wise, month wise, and year wise also, which is really good. And one more thing, you can whereas you can pinch and zoom also, which is really good. And the next thing is swipe keypad, which is really good. Waiting for this for a long time. Now they have released in iOS 13. It's really fast. If you want to type fast, then you can use this swipe keypad, which is really good. So, and the other thing, we also got memojis with expressions, where we can send with messages also, attaching with this emojis. And as well as we got 3 new emojis, whereas rat, octopus, and cow. And the next thing is Apple also added a new light color for this portrait mode, which is high key light mono, which is really good. And so this is how the portrait effect looks. And you can also edit and control the light as well from here, which is good actually. And the next thing is Apple also changed the complete reminder interface, which is also good. It really looks nice. And the other thing is Apple also added new arcade games, which is good. I haven't still used it. I have to try it. So I'll try once. And the other thing is performance. In iOS 13, the performance really has been improved a lot. Now, see the app. If you want to change from one app to another app, it's really fast. It's really fast. And also Apple changed the volume hood also, which is really good. If you press and hold it, it will decrease completely. If you press up and hold, it will increase completely. You can increase and also, and the silent notification, it shows on and off on the top of the screen. It looks really good. So, and also one more thing, they have merged two apps into single app, like friend sharing and find my mobile. Now it's a single app, where both are in single app. Here here it shows you can find your device, and this where you can find the location of your friends. Hope you all enjoy the video, guys. Please do like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in next video.